Hey there, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money from writing articles for others. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the show. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can make money by writing articles for others to use. Now, in a previous video, I had mentioned about writing articles for websites. Now, essentially, writing articles for others to use is the same concept. However, this is not strictly related to websites or blogs. Writing articles for others to use could be a general article that you've written and then sell for others to use. It could be a copywriting template, something for the buyer to use to customize at their own will for copywriting use when it comes to marketing for their brand or business. It could be bringing awareness to their YouTube channel or their social media. It could be for a product. You could do articles in general on a specific topic and then market that article to others to use. It could be for a website, it could be for a blog, it could be for social media, it could be something used in a magazine, a newsletter. There's a number of different ways that that article could be used. And in turn, you're going to get paid for that article. You can also do a article service to where somebody can directly reach out to you, like on Fiverr, Rev, Upwork, LinkedIn, social media, and ask you to write a specific article on a topic. And then you can charge them for the time it takes you to write that article. Or, as I mentioned a moment ago, you can write your own articles on whatever topic, and then the customer can come to you and then purchase that topic or that article for that topic. And then you can choose whether this is going to be an article that is for one-time use for that one customer, or if you're going to sell that same article to multiple people. If you can do multiple articles and then have a portfolio of them to give customers a variety of choice, you have a good opportunity to not only sell that one article to one person, but to multiple people and continue generating revenue on that one digital asset. So that is a way for you to be able to make money on a recurring basis rather than going and spending an hour writing an article, we'll say, and then selling it to one person for a one-time use and only getting that one payment. You can then do that article, sell it to multiple people, and continue selling it throughout time and continue to increase your revenue from that one particular article. The more articles you have, the more that you can sell. The more you sell, the higher your income can be from writing articles. So I hope this gives you an idea on how you can write articles for others to use and be able to make a recurring income. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found today's video helpful. Looking forward to seeing you in one of the future live streams, and I hope to see you back here on the next episode. Until then, have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you next time.